Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I feel like a kid in a candy store. I had quite a bit of Ulta rewards money and I went shopping, so I have a very nice Ulta haul. So let's get started because there's quite a bit of stuff. Now before I start on the Ulta, let me show you one thing that I purchased at Sephora. And I wanted to show you guys because it is on sale for half price. It is normally $46 and they have it for $23. And this is the Tarte High Performance Naturals, and it's a Clay Play Volume 2. I have Volume 1 and I love it. And this is, a lot of the colors are similar to Volume 1, but the difference is the Volume 1 has 3 contour and bronze shades in the bottom. Let me put it this way so the mirror doesn't blind you. And then some of the shades in here are a little different, but I love this. This is an all-inclusive palette. I love to take something like this traveling because you have your eye colors and then you have your bronzer, your blush, and your highlighter. And I love the formula of these palettes. So I just wanted to let you know, in case you're interested, this is the perfect time to go get it. It does have some shimmers and some mattes. These colors right here are mattes. This one, this one, and this one. This one is beautiful on the brow bone. And then it has the top row of the smaller ones are matte, and then the bottom row are shimmers. Gorgeous. I can't recommend it enough. If there's one palette that I would recommend for anyone to get, is this one. Beautiful, beautiful colors. It blends beautifully. I love Tarte products. The Amazonian clay is amazing. It always looks nice, stays on all day. They blend like butter. So like I said, if you're interested, if you like a neutral look, which is always nice because you know you can't go wrong, that is a palette that is a must-have. So let's get started on what I purchased. The first thing that I got was the L'Oreal Root Touch-Up. And usually what I do is I color my hair. And I do it myself because I found that if I have a professional do it, the girl that cuts my hair, it lasts just as long as if I do it myself. I don't have that much hair, so it's not that difficult to do. So I usually do the color everything, and then like in between, like I try not to do it more than every 6 to 8 weeks. In between, I use this. So I'm about ready to need this because I had to kind of hide my grays a little bit, but they're back. So this is, and I use the medium brown. So this is real easy. It just brings you enough to do, you know, wherever you can see your gray. And then I usually have some left over, so what I do is I mix it with conditioner and put it through the rest of my hair and kind of blends everything together. And then it brings a little brush that makes it easier. So I like that. So the next product that I bought was the Becca. This is the Becca. Oh, did I do this upside down? Yes, this is a Sunlit bronzer, and I'm going to show you how pretty. And this is really pretty because you can use it on your face and you can use it on your eyes. And it's very subtle. The colors are not, you know, super dark, but you know, it's very, very pretty. You know, you can, sometimes if I'm in a hurry, I'll just use my bronzer on my eyes. And this has like different shades, so you can play with it. So I'm very excited. Can't wait to use that. Okay, the next product is Nars. And this is some deluxe size lippies. And I think I got the neutrals. This is the Wanted Power Pack Lip Kit. And the colors that I got was Warm Nudes. The Nars lip products are very, very nice. I really do like them. But I normally just get the small size because it takes me forever to get through a lipstick. And I have quite a few of them, so I definitely don't need the full size. This will last me a long time. These are very pretty. Very nice. So this one is, if I can see it, oh my gosh guys, I'll list it on the bottom because I really cannot see this. Why do they do this writing? They kill me. They kill me. I can't see. They should know that not everyone has 20/20 vision. So annoying. Okay, then I heard so many nice things about the Too Faced Hangover Primer. It smells like coconut. I love the smell of coconut. It's supposed to be really, really nice. Has a lot of... Smells really good. Has a lot of good ingredients for your face. It's replenishing primer and setting spray. And it's silicone-free, alcohol-free, and oil-free. So it's got coconut water, probiotics-based ingredients, and skin revivers. So I love Too Faced products also. And I've been wanting this for a long time, and I finally gave in since I had all that Ulta money. So then I bought a palette, and this is the new Urban Decay Beached Eyeshadow Palette. And this is what I'm wearing on my eyes. I just did a video, Get Ready With Me, and I used the products that I purchased. Most of them, not all of them. But this is the inside of the palette. They're beautiful. It's got a mirror on the other side, and it's nice because you can just, this is a different kind of palette. You can just fold it over and it makes it easier. So let me swatch these for you. I'm going to swatch the darker colors. It's very creamy, by the way. Very, very nice. Very buttery. I like creamier and buttery than most of the Urban Decay shadows. I always found Urban Decay to be a little dry, but not this one. This one is beautiful. Let me clean my fingers and do the last one. So here are the colors. They are so pretty. I have this one as a liner on my eyes. And I have this one here in the crease. And then a combination of this one and this one on my outer V. And on my lower lash line. So I love this. This is very, very pretty. And that green and that blue in there is normally colors that I don't wear, so it's exciting. I also purchased the MAC Mineralize Skinfinish powder. And this is a powder that you can use all over your face as a finishing powder, and it has a little bit of a glow. Now today I used it as a highlighter, but look how pretty. This is a nuance. So it's very, very pretty. So what I did is I swirled my brush through the whole thing and then just put a little bit on the top of my cheek just to give myself a little glow. I like my highlighter to be subtle. I don't like it to be super bam. And I purchased my first Nars bronzer. And this is the Sun Wash Diffusing Bronzer. And the color is Seaside. And these diffused bronzers are supposed to be a lot more subtle. They're not supposed to be as dark. So look how pretty that is. And that is also what I have on my face today as a bronzing powder. And it was very nice. You can definitely build it. But, you know, I think it's something special if you're a beginner using bronzer. That's a perfect one because it's not very, very... I don't want to say pigmented because it is pigmented. You can definitely build it, but it's not super dark. So it's easier to blend. And I also purchased the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation. I wanted to try it. I've heard so many good things about it. My daughter uses it and my granddaughter uses it, and they both like it. I've seen a lot of good videos about it. I got it in the shade 120, which is the same shade that I use in all the other Maybelline foundations. It's supposed to be full coverage, and it is a good match for me. Now I found that even though it's full coverage, I still had to use a little extra on my cheeks where I have the dark spots on my face because it didn't cover them on the first application, and I used a brush. But it did blend very easily, very nicely. I really did like it. So I have to see how it wears, if it wears all day or if I get oily, which I really don't get oily. A little bit on my nose, but not bad. I don't really have oily skin. I have normal, I would say normal to oily, but it's not really that oily. I also purchased This is Beauty by Pop Sugar, and this is like a lip gloss, and it's called the Time After Time. I thought it said Be the Boss. Be the Boss lip gloss. Oh, and the shade is Time After Time. Okay. And it's very nice and it's not sticky. I mean, it's pigmented. I think that if you have darker pigmented lips, it will look very pretty on its own. My lips are very light, so what I did is I used a lip liner. I cover my entire lip with a lip liner, and then I put this on top. So it looks very pretty. I like it, and it's very comfortable. It smells a little bit like vanilla when you first put it on, but it's not overpowering at all. It's a very light scent. I have been wanting the Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm. I heard this is really an amazing, amazing eye balm for your eyes, eye cream. I'm still working through an eye cream right now, but when I run out, I want to go ahead and start using this, and I can't wait. It's all sealed, so I don't want to open it because I'm not ready to use it, but I can't wait to try that. And let's see, it came with a little free gift, and it's like a little small just moisturizer. I also purchased the Morphe Continuous Spray. This is a setting spray. I love setting sprays. As you can tell, I bought 2 of them today. And this has a great mister. Look at this. Let me see if you can see it. You see that? It's like, oh my gosh, you know what it feels like? You know when you go to an amusement park and they have those misters to cool you off, that is like, you feel it, but you really don't feel it. This is just like that. It's amazing, and it smells really good. So I like that. And this is sunscreen. And I was out of my sunscreen. And guys, this is the most important product that I purchased today. Sunscreen for your face. This is Botanical Sunscreen Face by Australian Gold. This is 50 SPF broad spectrum. And it's a mineral lotion. It's not greasy. It's got antioxidants, UVA, UVB protection, water resistant up to 80 minutes. If you take nothing else from any of my videos, take this. Always, always wear a sunscreen. It doesn't matter if it's cloudy, doesn't matter, just wear it, because even if it's cloudy, you can get some sun damage. And forget about the wrinkles that the sun can create. Skin cancer, that's what scares the heck out of me, skin cancer. So always, this is important. This is not expensive. This is $15. This will last you a long time. I had the other one for about a year. And I mean, I use it on my face, my neck, and my chest every single day. I never, ever, ever go anywhere without it. Even if I don't put makeup on and I'm gonna be outside, I'll wear this. This works really well with any foundation that I wear. I haven't found one foundation that doesn't wear, you know, well with this. You know how sometimes you can use a sunscreen and then your foundation will kind of peel up? No, this is great. I put it on. I try to wait like 5 minutes or so, but sometimes I don't even wait that because I don't have the time. And put my foundation on. Great, great. Recommend it highly. Then I purchased by Morphe, and it's a highlighter. No, it's not. It's a blush trio, and this is the Blushing Babes Pop of Peach, and this was very affordable. I think it was like either $10 or $12, and look how pretty those are. This has a little bit of shimmer, and these two are matte. And this one is called Maker, Operator, and Influencer, but they're very, very pretty. Let me swatch them for you. Again, I used today the Maker, and it's very subtle, but you can definitely build it. But I much prefer that than, you know, a blush that is so bright that you only have to tip the tip of the brush. I mean, it can go bad really fast. So these are the blushes. This is the one that's got a little bit of glow in it, but they're all very pretty. So it's the first time that I try a Morphe blush. I've tried their eyeshadows before and I like them. I think they have really nice quality shadows. Ulta now also sells the Shiseido cotton. So this is, you know, pricey for cotton, but it is an amazing cotton. It doesn't you don't get little fibers stuck in your eyelashes, or you know, it doesn't absorb as much of your toner or whatever product it is you're using with it. So I really do enjoy it. This will last me a long time. I usually buy them when Sephora has the 20% discount in November. But you know, I'm running a little low, so I went ahead and I bought one. But I love this cotton. It's really nice. All the hype is real. This is a MAC concealer, and I've never tried the MAC concealer. I've heard it's very good. I didn't put it on today. I forgot that I bought it, so I used a Maybelline one. But it's got a little pump, which sometimes I'm not sure if I like a pump on a concealer or not, because sometimes you get too much out with a pump. I almost rather have a little wand, a doll foot, but you know, sometimes it just, so that's it. So I've never tried it, so I don't know. I'll have to let you know how it works. Hopefully it doesn't crease or crease that bad. Everything creases, but you're just going for whatever creases the least amount. So, and this is in the shade NC20. Neutral Cool 20, I don't know. I bought a backup of my Maybelline Rewind Concealer because I really do enjoy that. They threw in a little sample of the MAC Primer. And I bought this for my daughter. And this is the Katy Kat, the Katy Berry CoverGirl, but I think it's called Katy Kat. Yeah, Katy Kat gloss. And I got it for my daughter. My granddaughter. She loves cats. And I thought this is pretty. And she likes neutral colors, so I think she'll enjoy this color here. It looks very pretty. It looks like a beigey with gold, like micro glitter in it. It looks really beautiful. So that's for her. And I bought this for also my granddaughter and my daughter, for them to share. This is for their ponytails. Definitely don't have that for me. This is those. It looks like almost like phone cords, the old phone cords, but it's supposed to not make a crease on your hair. So I got this for them. And what else? Oh, and then the last thing I purchased was Pacifica Super Detox Deep Purifying Wipes. They had these on clearance, but I don't use these on my face. I use them on my hand to take off the swatches. But they were marked down really, really inexpensive, so I thought I'd grab a pack. So that's it. So that's all that I purchased. I think that was enough. But anyway, I had a lot of fun picking that stuff out, and it was hard to choose what I wanted. But anyway, I'm very happy with my choices. I used the lipstick, the bronzer, the blush. I used the MAC highlighter, the palette, the foundation, and I used the setting spray, the Morphe setting spray. So I love everything so far. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And stay tuned for the Get Ready With Me that will be posted in probably a day or so. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.